Hi, this is Mike from Cappsure. If you're a facilities manager or property manager or a municipal manager in charge of various facilities or parks, Cappsure mobile app is a great tool for your internal teams and vendors to report on. It's your system, so you get all the reports while they report on mobile. I'm going to go ahead and select a property and show you how they do that. So I'm going to create a maintenance report, and this is Cappsure's picture inventory. So I can report on services from summer activities like landscaping, or I can jump right in during winter season and report on the property on specific snow removal or ice melt applications that I did at a specific property. You get the reports once they're done. Vendors and internal users can add photos and notes. I'm going to go ahead and save that report. Those reports are emailed to you, or you can access them in Cappsure's backend system very easily. There's a maintenance report, and you'll get photos and notes and all the information emailed to you. So it's full information. So thanks for listening. This is Mike Martinez from Cappsure. Cappsure is a year-round tool for reporting on your property for facilities, maintenance, cleaning, any service you want. It's the right tool. Go to our website at www.cappsure.com or email us at info@cappsure.com. Thanks so much.